I suppose you have questions about me. Why is that guy not so social? He doesn't associate with his fellows a lot. You know what? The reason is because of you guys. You are so word oriented. Actually, let me use that. Like, you are words oriented. You speak much, and even though they are not correct, they are not true. I no longer share my opinions to anybody because of you guys. You speak a lot. Why like this? I thought when I was growing up that whoever I share with, everything we laugh together, is my friend. But I've come to realize they are fake. People are pretending to be my friends, but they are not. They are not. They give me plastic smiles. They give me fake smiles. But later on in the corner, I hear the words I've spoken with them earlier. It's on the door. That's why I'm no longer saying a word. Yes, I'm no longer saying a word just because of you guys. Just because of you. Can't you settle for a while and you prevent your mouth from murmuring every word, you spit everything? We are eating and you are spitting out nonsense. Why do you want to bring us tears? Anyways, right now, like Bantu, naguma, omutima gwakaluba, omutima gwakaluba, ekiwanga kyasala lwerwe. Sikyalina ebyo. However much you speak, I no longer entertain myself for the words they've spoken. No, I know who I am. I can feel myself, enjoy myself in each and every way I need. So I don't need to be entertained by the words being spoken about me that are false. Actually, words that are false can't make me feel painful. No way. No. I can't be like, I can't lose weight. I can't lose happiness just because of the word you've spoken about me, which are actually not true. Yeah. Those words, those are stomach churning, repellent, repulsive, disgusting. So words that are so disgusting, repulsive, actually I can't entertain myself with such words. I have to feel free, joy inside myself, because I know who I am. So you can't speak words that are so repulsive and you think I will lose hope. No, I know I will be somebody, and I will be somebody. It's a matter of believing in yourself. Like, I'm not to be entertained by words. Actually, the words they will speak are not the words that are going to make me succeed. Actually, whatever you speak about me, just know you are my fans. Actually, this is it. Those people who don't want what I do and they still watch what I do, they are my fans. And those people, they are the ones making me move higher. So to continue speaking, continue talking, I will continue going up and leveling up because of your words. So when you speak, I'm leveling up. When you speak, I'm leveling up. Just when you are not, if you don't get anybody to talk about, just know you are not important. If you don't get words in a corner, people that they've spoken about you, just know you are not important. You are useless in a society. To know that you are useful, just be skilled enough to hear, am I on people's whatever? Of course, if people speak about you, just you are a professor someday, you are a billionaire someday, because you are making a difference in people's lives. Anyways, there are people, they can talk about you are a thief, and they talk about you. But there is this talking about you of jealousy. You know, that's what I'm saying. So try to be open to those people you trust more. That's what I'm saying. Try to be open to those people you trust more, not those that you really love with and you call them your friends. Just there is what we call plastic surgery, and plastic surgery is now free. People pretend to wear it and they can laugh with you, but what they are thinking about you is really different. So watch out. Be mubeere obwana bwaki bw'omusota bakalaba nga mwetegereza ensomba byuma zino emmese ez'omu kibuga. Emmese y'omu kibuga tebamala gakizanyirako, eba ekenga eba etegeera, okitegeera mukwano. So mubeere bakalaba